Well, we lawnmower shopping. This is at Tractor Supply. About $4,000. See that Cub Cadet right there? It's got a welded deck, but it's a mighty shallow deck. And that right there is a zero turn with a steering wheel. The mother's got handles. That's a zero turn with a steering wheel. I'd rather have the handles because that's what I'm used to running. And there's a bad boy for $4,000. And it's got a Kohler motor in it, which Kohler's been around a long time.
How much is it?
This one right here, $5,000. 60-inch bad boy. Bad boy, bad boy. And it's got a deeper, thicker deck. That's $69 right there. That's out of my price range. Them two big ones are out of my price range. I'm gonna spend about $4,000. 42 inch. That's got a Briggs and Stratton in it though. I'm not gonna buy a Briggs and Stratton. Either gonna buy a Kohler or Kawasaki. One or the other. Motor.